Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. This one is actually really interesting because this company actually reached out to me and sent me an email, you know, wanting to like send me stuff and me do a review video, and I accepted, but the catch is they never actually responded or sent me anything. So that was kind of annoying. A lot of times that happens. Companies will like reach out to a whole bunch of people, see who actually responds to their emails, and then pick people that way. But yeah, so that happened with this company. They did reach out to me and want me to make videos with them, but they probably sent that to a lot of people. And whenever I responded, I guess I wasn't good enough for them. But I ended up buying some stuff from them anyway because I was really intrigued after I, you know, got the email and I checked out their website. So here you go. Here's a free video for you anyway. I did buy all of this myself. It's not sponsored or sent to me at all. I paid every penny for this, and I wanted to share it with you guys and let you guys know what I think about these products. So I'd never heard of this brand before until they contacted me, but this is from the brand, I believe it's called Modelones. I'm not quite sure. But if you're not familiar with this brand or this website, it is a gel nail polish website, and I am a huge gel nail polish fan. So they have pretty much been the only types of nail polishes I have used for about a year now. I have never been able to have like long nails before because I have such brittle, like really weak nails, and just regular nail polish wasn't enough for me. They'd always break and chip and crack, and I hate that. But I have been able to grow my nails so long since I have started with like gel nails. They just make my nails so much stronger and thicker and harder to where they don't break as easily. So I'm just a huge fan of gel nail polish in general, and I love doing at-home gels because manicures are expensive. And fun fact, I've actually never had my nails done in my entire life. I have gotten my toes done once, and that was when I was like in 6th grade, but I have never gotten a manicure before ever. So the first thing that really kind of interested me was that they called this a luxury nail polish line. Now, whenever they said luxury nail polish brand, I was thinking like, oh my gosh, these are probably gonna be like $30 nail polishes. Anything with the name luxury in it like that, you know, you instantly think it's gonna be super expensive. But I was extremely surprised when I went to their website and I looked at their polishes. The regular price for them are $8.99 for a polish, which I feel like is totally standard even for like a normal nail polish. And for gels, usually I end up spending like easily, I don't know, $12 or $13 and up for nail polishes because gels just are more expensive for whatever reason. But the other thing that really got me was that they had a sales section, and they had gel nail polishes on sale for like literally $2, and I went crazy and I got quite a few because even though I have a lot of nail polish, I don't have very many gel nail polishes at all. And since it's pretty much the only kind of nail polish I wear, I just don't have as many options and stuff. So I decided to expand my gel nail polish collection, get a few colors, and try these out and see what I think about them. So first off, for shipping, I ended up getting free shipping with my order. I guess, I can't remember exactly, but I think it was like if you spend over a certain amount, you'd get free shipping. And I also found a discount code that I used, and that ended up taking $4.80 off of my order. I think it was actually like some influencer code. I had no idea who it was, but hey, I used their code and I got a discount, so they could probably get some kickback too. So whoever you are, I think her name is Lauren maybe. But there's a few influencer codes out there as well if you want to save a little bit on your order. So I ended up getting 10 nail polishes, and I'm so glad because a lot of these are really pretty colors that I feel like I would wear all the time. But first off, I really like the box of it. It looks really kind of cool. I like that they put a little bit more thought into their packaging and stuff, and it just overall looks nice. So this is the box that it came in, and then this is the box that most of my polishes came in. It actually looks really nice, and I like this box a lot. It looks really pretty. It looks, you know, more of like a luxurious brand, and I like that a lot. So since I ordered like 10 polishes, like I said, this box only holds, I think, 8. Actually, the box only holds 7. But these are the polishes that I ended up getting. Now, the packaging of this is actually really interesting. Let me grab one of these and like show it to you. It's very different packaging wise than a lot of like gel nail polishes that I've seen, and I think it really stands out. It's really like nice looking, and the top of it is like actually like this wood block, which is kind of cool, kind of, I don't know, stylistically it's kind of interesting, and it definitely looks a little bit different, so it's kind of cool. And then since I did order 3 others, they came packaged like this, so they just came with like this little sleeve box here that comes off, and then there's like this really cool like holographic packaging here. The other cool thing is that they do have a lot of different like color collections that you can buy in bundles if you want to get a whole bunch of the nail polishes at a bit of a discount. I ended up just going for like single polishes that I liked, and majority of the ones I got were the $2 ones, but I did get a couple of the regular price ones as well. And I even swatched them on here as well. I'll insert an up close so you can see these colors a little bit better. Now, one thing you do have to excuse is that I didn't end up curing these polishes with a top coat, which of course is totally necessary with gel polish. So some of these, they just kind of warped a little because honestly I didn't want to waste my top coat on just nail swatches. So if there's any of them that look like lumpy and chunky and gross, it's not a reflection of the polish at all. It's just because I literally did not seal them with the top coat and they kind of warped a bit because they don't truly dry without that top coat. So just ignore that, please. Coco Black, Dreamy Silver, Africa White, below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Flowers, House, Gustave, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, Cranberry, Anderson. I actually just realized as I was going through these polishes, I think they might have either sent me an extra one or maybe it was an accident, but I do have one that I don't believe I ordered. Actually, I think I just figured out what it was. There was one color in here that I ordered that I did not get, and I think they might have either substituted it, maybe they like ran out of it, or maybe they just didn't have it, or maybe it was an accident, I don't know. But I think what happened was that they gave me the cranberry color instead of the mint color that I had ordered. So I don't know if that was an accident or a fluke or what, I don't know. But I ended up getting one polish that I did not order in place of another one that I didn't get. Out of all of the nail polishes I got, I only paid the regular $8.99 price for 4 of them, and all of the rest of them were the $2 sale polishes. So the amount that I ended up paying for all of this was $43.16, and of course, like I said, I bought this all myself. I guess I didn't make the cut this time, but if you actually want to work with me next time, then you can send me an email. So everything aside, what do I think about this? I overall really like these. I think that it's such an amazing price, regular and on sale. That's amazing. I think they definitely do have a lot of colors to choose from.
Quick editing note, I ended up putting the actual nail application portion of this video into a separate video just because it was going to be way too long. So please keep your eye out for the part 2 of this video if you want to see how I actually do my gel nail polish.
So overall, I think I could totally 100% see myself buying from this brand again, just because I think the prices are amazing and they have such pretty colors. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this kind of first impression review, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.